Hey there, ready to add a new destination to your travel bucket list? Today, I'm taking you on a virtual journey to the breathtaking island of Mauritius. Brace yourself for some incredible spots that will make you want to pack your bags immediately. Let's dive in. First up, the Chamarel Seven Colored Earths. This geological wonder is like something out of a dreamscape with its vibrant hues of red, brown, violet, green, blue, purple, and yellow. These surreal sand dunes are a photographer's paradise and an absolute must-see. Next, let's head to the Black River Gorges National Park. This expansive park is a haven for nature lovers, with its lush forests, rolling hills, and sparkling waterfalls. You can hike through diverse trails, spot rare bird species, and even have a picnic amidst the stunning scenery. Trust me, it's pure magic. Speaking of waterfalls, the Chamarel Waterfall is another showstopper. Standing at 100 meters high, it's the tallest waterfall in Mauritius. The view from the top is simply breathtaking, and the surrounding greenery makes it a perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy shots. Now, for some underwater adventure, let's explore the Blue Bay Marine Park. This protected area is a treasure trove of vibrant coral reefs and colorful marine life. Snorkeling here feels like diving into an aquarium. It's an experience you'll cherish forever. Moving on to something truly unique, the Le Morne Brabant. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not just a mountain. It's a symbol of freedom and resilience, with a poignant history tied to the island's past. Hike to the summit for panoramic views, and you'll understand why it's so revered. For a touch of culture, don't miss the Apravasi Ghat. This historic site is where indentured laborers first arrived from India in the 19th century. It's a place of reflection and learning, giving you a deep insight into Mauritius's rich heritage. And of course, you can't visit Mauritius without lounging on its pristine beaches. From the white sands of Flic-en-Flac to the turquoise waters of Île aux Cerfs, there's a beach for every type of traveler. Soak up the sun, swim in crystal-clear waters, and let all your worries melt away. Finally, let's cap off this journey with a visit to the Sur Siwusagur Ramgoolam Botanical Garden. This garden is an oasis of tranquility, home to giant water lilies, exotic plants, and an impressive spice garden. It's the perfect place to unwind and connect with nature. So there you have it. Mauritius is a paradise waiting to be explored. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or a history buff, this island has something for everyone. What are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Mauritius today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.